Hello there, I'm pleased to be here today and explore the mobile app development arena with you. It does not count if you're a skilled developer or only a curious enterprise person. We have everything you need to understand in this step-by-step guide for developing a successful mobile app. Let's begin on this exciting journey collectively. Embarking on the journey of building a mobile app is thrilling. Our expert guide will confidently lead you through every stage, from conceptualization to launch. We will provide you with a well-built roadmap for the success of your mobile app. Stage 1: Market Research. Our first step is conducting thorough market research. Understanding your target audience, identifying pain points, and studying your competition are paramount to carving your niche in the mobile app market. Stage 2: Planning and Strategy Session. With insights in hand, it's time to refine your unique selling points. What makes your mobile app stand out? How does it solve your audience's problems? Crafting a solid value proposition sets the foundation for your mobile app's success. Stage 3: Animated Business Planning. A comprehensive business plan is your North Star. It outlines your mobile app's features, monetization strategy, marketing plan, and projected growth. This plan not only guides you but also attracts potential investors. Stage 4: Development Team Collaboration. Assembling the right development team is crucial. From designers to programmers, every member contributes their expertise to bring your mobile app to vision. Collaboration ensures a seamless development process. Stage 5: Showcasing User-Centered Design. User experience is crucial. Crafting an intuitive and user-friendly UI or UX design improves engagement. Your mobile app's interface should be a delight for users to navigate. Stage 6: Coding and Testing. Coding and testing transform your mobile app from design to reality. Strict testing guarantees functionality, usability, and performance. It's a crucial phase that ensures your app is ready to shine. Stage 7: Launch and Promotion. Launch day is thrilling. But remember, a successful launch requires a well-thought-out promotion strategy. Leverage social media, influencer collaborations, and marketing channels to create buzz. Stage 8: User Feedback and Updates. Your mobile app's journey continues after launch. User feedback is invaluable. Regular updates enhance functionality and address user needs, keeping your app relevant and user-friendly. Stage 9: Emphasizing continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is the official mark of a successful mobile app. Analyze user behavior, monitor metrics, and iterate on your mobile app's features based on data-driven insights. Behold! Our all-inclusive, foolproof guide to designing a triumphant mobile app. Every phase is pivotal in propelling your app to the pinnacle of success, from its inception to perpetual enhancement. Do you have any questions or insights to share? Feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, subscribe for more valuable content to fuel your mobile app journey. Thank you.